Hiya, here we are at the Workhouse in Dunfanaghy in County Donegal, and this is a workhouse that after the Great Hunger in the 1840s, early 1850s, there were so many poor people that they didn't know what to do with them, and so they made these workhouses. And the workhouses where they separated the men and the women and the children, and then they made them work all day for a wee bit of food, and this is the legacy of it. So here's the workhouse. This put the Mór as a famine pot where they used to feed people out of the pot. So they make a big stew or soup and feed people out of this pot. And then this is the workhouse, and it was opened by President Mary Robinson in 1995. So it's a heritage museum, and it's also a tourist information place. And then they also have a heritage walking trail that starts from this point and then goes down to Dunfanaghy, and then you come back. So where we were this morning, another video at Market Square. Now we're up here at the workhouse, and this is on the way down to fháil, going that direction. And if you go the other way, it's to Creslach, and then you go down to Letterkenny. So that's just a little bit of it there. Wanted to share that with you. So, Sinead fáil,